Weather on chart here. This is our third U.S. weather outlook where inches of snow could dump it near the Great Lakes region. Here's the satellite, some thunderstorms near Central America, a big low pressure you can see in the middle of the eastern Pacific, and lake effect snow where winter storm warnings are in effect for parts of Michigan. Here's the current radar loop for the US. You can see that lake effect snow happening for parts of New York, Ohio, and Michigan. Around like 8 to like a feet of snow is still expected and possibly more localized. And you can see that there's some possible snow also near North Dakota and South Dakota, and some tiny lines of thunderstorms near Florida currently. Let's go to the models. Here's the GFS. You can see a high pressure briefly developing as we go into the future. Alberta Clipper goes down in the US where something could happen, possibly snow. As we go farther into there, the forecast around December 8th, so a week from now, this is uncertain, but another Clipper comes again about guys at Alberta Clippers where a low pressure system originates from Alberta, that which is located in Canada. And we don't know what's going to happen after that due to the uncertainty in the forecast. Here's the models, the 24-hour snow. You can see some places getting up to 11 inches in just 24 hours in parts of Michigan, Ontario, Canada, and parts of New York and Pennsylvania. As we go into the future, around 2 days from now, that lake effect snow continuing for parts of the Great Lakes region, still happening in parts of Michigan and Pennsylvania, and some snow in the Appalachian Mountains and some parts in the lower plains of North Carolina. As we go to Thursday, 7 inches of snow in parts of Ontario, Canada, and that lake effect snow continues for parts of Michigan. As we go into the future, that possible Alberta Clipper a week from now produces snow and possibly 6 inches in the most northern parts of Michigan, and some snow happening on the east coast, like 1 inch on parts of New Jersey and possibly New York. But this is uncertain because it's super far out in the forecast. Here's the temperatures as we go into tomorrow night. 19-degree temperatures in parts of the Appalachians and negative temperatures for some parts of North Dakota. As we go into the future, 20-degree temperatures during the night for the most northern parts of Georgia and the southeast. But after that, super uncertain. That is all we have for today. Please like and subscribe.